Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by auditing what you already have. Map each device with IP, MAC, and role so nothing is unknown. Once done, update router and switch firmware and create a backup of the current configuration to avoid surprises. Make sure to assign static IPs or DHCP reservations for servers, printers, and critical EOT, because stable addressing prevents conflicts and speeds troubleshooting. You'll act now on discovered issues rather than postponing configuration work. You now restructure the topology. Prioritize wired 1 Gbps links for servers and NAS, and reserve Wi-Fi for mobile and guest devices to reduce contention. Then tune wireless. Set separate SSIDs for 4 GHz and 5 GHz, choose non-overlapping channels, and avoid wide 80 MHz bonding where interference is high. Configure VLAN to separate guest and EOT traffic, and enable Co-S rules to give VO IP and video conference. You finish by hardening and automating recovery. Deploy monitoring with alerts for latency, packet loss, and interface errors so you catch regressions early. Schedule automated config backups and periodic controlled reboots to clear memory leaks. Make sure you test restores. Add redundancy such as dual WAN or a spare router on standby, and protect hardware with quality surge protection. If things go wrong, check the monitoring logs first to isolate where packets are dropped, and roll back the last config change as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.